Hello guys, welcome to Life Skills with Emtees Academy. I'm Anicia Vargas, Chief Trainer from Emtees Academy. Powerful people come from powerful places. You must have heard this dialogue, right? So today's topic is how to make a powerful first impression. Be it a girl or a boy or a man or a woman, we all want to make a first magical impression to whoever we're talking to, right? So I have some pointers for you on how you can make that first powerful impression. So the first pointer is making eye contact. Yes. So try to make a eye contact even before you start talking and maintain a regular eye contact during your conversation. So making an eye contact shows that you're respecting the other person, you're respecting the person you're talking to. And maintaining an eye contact shows that you're paying attention to the person you're talking to and you're listening to what they're saying. Next is, when you make an eye contact, that shows your honesty. In Malayalam they say, നമ്മൾ പലരും പറഞ്ഞു കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഇവൻ നേരെ നോക്കി സംസാരിക്കുന്നില്ല, എന്തോ കള്ളത്തരമുണ്ട്. So when you make an eye contact and talk to the person, that means you're honest as well. But you should know the difference between eye contact and staring at someone. Please make an eye contact and not stare at the person you're talking to. So the next pointer is smile. Yes, please smile at the person you're talking to. A sincere smile makes the other person feel welcome, and your genuine smile creates an impression of trust. We have seen it, right? So if you are giving a genuine smile, the smile will reach your eyes. Okay? We have seen it. Like even if you're wearing a mask, when a person smiles, that will be seen in the eyes. So please make a smile when you're talking to the other person. So the third pointer is dress for the occasion. What you wear greatly contributes to the first impression. Okay, so you should know that there are consequences. What you wear has consequences. So make sure that you wear appropriate clothing for the appropriate situation. Example, if you are dressing for a job too casually, it will create an impression that you are not so serious about the job. So the next pointer is be a good communicator. A good communicator listens more than they talk. Because listening more shows that you're being attentive and also you're making the other person feel heard. People will always remember how you made them feel. So if you communicate clearly and listen well, people will want to interact with you. The next pointer is use positive body language. As I always say, body language constitutes major part of communication. You have to stand or sit up straight. You have to hold your head up straight. Okay? This shows that you're comfortable and confident. So the next positive body language gesture will be offering your hand for a good and firm handshake. So when I say handshake, it is not crushing the hand, but you have to give a firm and a good handshake.
Emtees Academy.